The coronavirus outbreak in the recent past has fundamentally changed our ways of interacting with things and people. It has stopped us from getting close to people and touching items in the public space. This is because touching an item which was previously touched by an infected person puts you and your family at risk of catching the infection. In high-rise buildings, elevators have become a necessity. The elevator is a single point of entry for the entire building. Everyone who needs to enter the building, irrespective of age or health, touches the buttons outside and inside the elevator. Hence, the buttons of the elevator become one of the main points of transmission of the virus. So, is your elevator free of infection? Are the buttons safe to touch without getting the infection? SIlvan Innovation Labs presents Sparsh, a contactless elevator entry. Let us see how Asha uses an elevator powered by the SIlvan Sparsh, which is a contactless elevator entry system. Asha stays on floor 7 of a high-rise building. She wants to go out to play. She goes near the elevator and says,
"Hey lift, take me to the ground floor."
The Sparsh-controlled elevator responds back,
"Okay."
The cabin comes to the 7th floor. Asha gets in. Sparsh controller simulates the button press for the ground floor. Asha's father is coming back from a walk. Doesn't want to speak, so he takes out his smartphone to operate the elevator. He opens the Sparsh app to scan the QR code for the destination floor. The Sparsh app instructs the elevator controller to take him from the ground floor to the 7th floor. The maid Lakshmi is not comfortable with giving voice commands, nor does she have a smartphone. She brings her finger near the button to operate the lift. Proximity sensors inside Sparsh system mimics the button press for her. See? No touching of the elevator buttons. So, the SIlvan Sparsh controller gives you 3 ways of using the elevator without touching the buttons. By voice, the app, and proximity. You can choose the method that fits your needs and your budget. Be safe. Keep safe.